Hi, I am Dr. Payal Khandelwal. I am the Senior Ayurveda Consultant and the Director of Ayurveda First, which is my brainchild. We have been dealing with chronic and critical illnesses in this space. My clinic is situated in Siddhapura, Whitefield, Bangalore. Rasayan therapy is one of the eightfold branches of Ayurveda. Now, what is Rasayan therapy? Rasayan therapy is basically one which delays aging and prevents diseases. It helps in strengthening of the healthy tissues in the body. It helps in preventing aging, prevention of chronic diseases, and also increasing or balancing the immunity and increasing lifespan of the person. Now, Rasayan therapy is extremely beneficial as it has an immunomodulatory mechanism which helps in bring balance in the homeostasis of the body and the cellular mechanisms. So, when we use Rasayan therapy and where is it applicable in Ayurveda? In all the chronic diseases a person is suffering from, like diabetes or IBS or chronic liver disorders or even cancer or any other chronic heart disease condition, kidney diseases, everywhere Rasayan therapy has proven to be immensely beneficial. Also, wherever aging, mindfulness and immunity comes into picture, Rasayan has its own great role to play. We have been using a varied number of Rasayanas to treat patients who are belonging to all these different categories and are suffering from a certain disease for a prolonged period of time. Rasayana definitely is the answer to the new age problems, to the lifestyle disorders, because in chronic condition or where a patient gets a lot of diseases in combination, like usually they come up with a combination or I would say a cocktail of diseases like hypertension, diabetes, and then something like chronic skin disorders or chronic liver disorders or chronic GI disorders or infertility, or for that matter cancer or anxiety, stress, depression. For anything we have a lot of range of Rasayana therapies, and it is extremely important to use these Rasayanas because they also have a beautiful effect on the immunity of the body, and as I mentioned before, that on maintaining the cellular mechanisms and homeostasis in the body. So, Rasayana is the answer to a lot of chronic disorders and also in a person who is healthy. So, Rasayana is also useful for a person who wants to stay away from diseases, especially in a family where hereditary diseases like diabetes or cancer or skin diseases or anxiety, depression, infertility, etc. are prevalent. Anybody who approaches us to have healthy and a longer lifespan without any chronic diseases can be given Rasayan therapy safely, and it can also be used for a prolonged period of time. It is greatly useful also in pregnancy for having a healthy baby, and also in various disorders where most of the diseases or most of the medicines are not effective.